Faceless content business. What if you could build an online business without becoming an influencer, without showing your face on camera, and without constantly posting pictures of your personal life online? The truth is that thousands of people are doing exactly that right now. They're building audiences, generating leads, growing YouTube channels, creating digital products, promoting affiliate offers, and building real online businesses using faceless content. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what a faceless content business is, why it's becoming one of the fastest growing online business models, and how beginners can get started step by step. Whether you're shy, value privacy, don't want to be on camera, or simply want a scalable business model, this guide is for you. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because I regularly share affiliate marketing strategies, AI business ideas, traffic generation methods, and online income opportunities. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button because it helps more people discover these strategies. Also, if you'd like access to the exact tools, resources, and training I recommend, click the link in the pinned comment below. Those resources can help you get started much faster. Now let's dive in. First, let's answer the obvious question. What is a faceless content business? A faceless content business is an online business built around content where the creator does not need to appear on camera or become the public face of the brand. Instead of relying on personal branding, the business relies on valuable content, educational content, entertaining content, informative content, problem-solving content. The focus shifts away from the creator and onto the audience. This is one reason the faceless content business model has exploded in popularity. Many people want the benefits of content marketing without sacrificing privacy. Now let's talk about why this model works. At the end of the day, audiences care about value. People watch videos because they want information. They read articles because they want answers. They follow accounts because they want education or entertainment. Most viewers don't actually care whether you're on camera. They care whether your content helps them. Once you understand that, a lot of opportunities become available. Let's discuss the first component of a successful faceless content business. Choosing a niche. Many beginners make the mistake of creating random content about random topics. That's one of the fastest ways to stay invisible. Successful businesses focus on specific audiences. Examples include making money online, artificial intelligence, technology, health and fitness, personal finance, productivity, self-improvement, real estate, business, online marketing. The more clearly you understand your audience, the easier content creation becomes. Now, before we continue, if you'd like access to the same resources many successful content creators use, click the link in the pinned comment below. Those resources can help accelerate your progress. Let's move on to content formats. One reason a faceless content business is so attractive is because there are many ways to create content without showing your face. You can use screen recordings, slideshows, animations, stock footage, AI-generated visuals, educational graphics, tutorial demonstrations, voiceover videos, whiteboard videos, presentation-style videos, case studies, data-driven videos, and many other formats. The key is not the format. The key is the value being delivered. Value always comes first. Let's discuss YouTube. YouTube remains one of the most powerful platforms for building a faceless content business. Why? Because YouTube is essentially a search engine. People actively search for answers, solutions, tutorials, reviews, strategies, and educational content. When your content solves problems, it can continue generating traffic long after publication. That's incredibly powerful. Unlike a social media post that disappears after a few hours, a YouTube video can continue attracting viewers for months or even years. Now let's discuss affiliate marketing. This is one of the most common monetization methods for a faceless content business. Affiliate marketing allows you to recommend products and services and earn commissions when people purchase through your referral links. The process is simple. Create valuable content, attract an audience, build trust, recommend relevant solutions, earn commissions. Many faceless content businesses are built entirely around this model. It's beginner-friendly, scalable, and doesn't require creating your own products. Now, if you're getting value from this video so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I regularly publish affiliate marketing tutorials, AI business strategies, online income methods, and traffic generation techniques designed specifically for beginners. Let's discuss AI. Artificial intelligence has completely changed content creation. Today, AI can help with research, topic generation, script creation, content outlines, voiceovers, visual planning, workflow automation, and productivity. This is one reason faceless content businesses are growing so quickly. The barriers to entry have never been lower. You still need effort, you still need consistency, but many tasks are now easier than ever before. Let's discuss another major monetization method, digital products. A digital product can be an ebook, a checklist, a guide, a template, a prompt pack, a mini course, a resource library, or educational material. The beauty of digital products is that they can often be sold repeatedly. Create once, sell multiple times. This creates leverage. Many successful faceless content businesses combine affiliate marketing and digital products to diversify revenue. Now let's discuss email marketing. One of the smartest things you can do is build an email list. Why? Because platforms change, algorithms change, traffic sources change, but your email list belongs to you. When someone joins your email list, you have a direct connection. You can provide value, share resources, recommend products, build relationships, and create opportunities for future sales. Many successful online businesses consider email lists among their most valuable assets. Let's discuss one of the biggest mistakes beginners make, trying to monetize too early. Before people trust you, before you've built value, before you've built credibility, focus on helping people first. Trust creates opportunities. Opportunities create income. The best content creators understand this. Now let's talk about consistency. Consistency is often the biggest competitive advantage available. Many people start content businesses. Few continue long enough to succeed. The reality is that success often comes from showing up consistently. One video won't change your life. One blog post won't change your life. One week probably won't change your life. But hundreds of pieces of content created consistently can completely change your business. Each piece of content becomes an asset. Each asset creates opportunities, and opportunities compound over time. Let's discuss traffic. Traffic is the fuel that powers every faceless content business. Some of the most effective traffic sources include YouTube, Google Search, Pinterest, email marketing, short-form videos, online communities, blogs, and niche websites. The goal is simple. Create content that solves problems and attracts attention. Then guide people toward the next step. Now, before we continue, if you'd like access to tools, training, and resources that can help you build your own faceless content business, click the link in the pinned comment below. Those resources can save you time and help you avoid common beginner mistakes. Let's talk about realistic expectations. Can a faceless content business work? Absolutely. Can beginners succeed? Yes. Can you build an audience without showing your face? Definitely. Can AI help? Without question. But there are no shortcuts. You still need consistency. You still need value. You still need execution. You still need patience. The people who succeed understand that content creation is a long-term game. Every piece of content is an investment. Some investments perform immediately, others take time. The important thing is continuing to build. Let's discuss a simple action plan. Step 1. Choose a niche. Step 2. Choose a content platform. Step 3. Create valuable content consistently. Step 4. Build an email list. Step 5. Monetize with affiliate offers and digital products. Step 6. Improve your skills. Step 7. Stay consistent long enough to gain momentum. Simple, not always easy, but simple. Most people quit before momentum arrives. That's why they never experience the rewards. Now let's discuss one final lesson. You do not need permission. You do not need perfect equipment. You do not need a giant audience. You do not need to be famous. You simply need to start. Many successful businesses began with one video, one blog post, one piece of content, one idea. The sooner you start, the sooner you begin building momentum. Now, before we wrap up, if you'd like access to the exact tools, resources, and training I recommend for building a faceless content business, click the link in the pinned comment below. Those resources can help you accelerate your progress and avoid costly mistakes. Also, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week covering affiliate marketing, AI business strategies, online income opportunities, traffic generation, and content creation. And if you found value in today's video, hit the like button because it helps more people discover these strategies. Let's quickly recap. Choose a niche. Create valuable content. Leverage AI. Build an audience. Collect email subscribers. Monetize with affiliate offers. Create digital products. Stay consistent and keep improving. Those are the foundations of a successful, faceless content business. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, click the link in the pinned comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.